Is Tesla on pace to soar to new highs in the year ahead? Well, joining me now right here on set is Steve Wesley, the founder of Wesley Group and a former Tesla board member. It's so great to have you here in person.
Great to be here.
All right, so what do you think? Is this the beginning of the next chapter for Tesla?
Well, I think it's a tale of two cities. Look, I think they're going to post a solid Q3, 465,000 vehicles, about 25 billion for the year. They're going to be a little up in China, down in Europe, and the U.S. is going to be solid. Why? Because everybody's rushing to get a car before the September 30th deadline when the tax rebates go away. So the big question is, how does Q4 look like when those rebates are gone? And the big picture is this. Every automaker in the world is going all electric. Why? The cost of batteries keep going down. But Tesla's got to get new product into market. They've got to get lower cost product into market. They've got to open new markets. And they've got to prove they're a technology company. They need more regulatory approvals to get that full self-driving going.
So how much hinges now on robotaxi in light of that?
A lot. Again, Tesla's trading an extraordinary multiple today. They've got to show that they really are a tech company. Right now, they are lagging behind Waymo badly. They've got to get regulatory approval in new cities to show that they're competitive and they have the best technology.
AI, autonomy, robots. Is this something that's already factoring into the stock here at these levels?
I think Elon has made a big deal about pushing humanoid robots. He's made bold claims, 5,000 units by the end of the year or more. We'll see if they can deliver on that. It's not going to be easy.
Okay. I do want to shift gears here because under the hood, Tesla is also an energy company and a energy storage company. In general, you're here on set because of Climate Week here
Exactly
in the
right.
New York metro area. So what are your thoughts on energy more broadly right now and this transformative moment we seem to find ourselves in?
Everybody is focused on AI and who's going to win the AI wars, the U.S. or China. To win the AI wars, you have to win the energy wars first. U.S. is going to have to put historic amounts of energy online to power the global economy, to our economy, as well as our military and everything else we need. We're going to have to put historic amount on. That is what Climate Week is all about. How can you do that and stay green at the same time? The big picture is we're entering into a revolution of AI that's going to stimulate a boom in data centers at precisely the time the global transportation fleets are becoming electric. How do you provide the power to support all of that demand? It's going to require a lot of new thinking.
All right. So what's some of that new thinking?
Well, for most utilities, and our venture firm has 14 of the world's largest utilities as investors, it's going to be an all-of-the-above approach. You need more natural gas, and we've got a lot of natural gas, but we don't have enough turbines to get it online. You're going to need more nuclear, but that, by and large, is going to take 5 to 10 years, maybe longer. For the interim period, that's where all the action is. We think you're going to see an increasing amount of batteries supporting the utilities. Tesla, by the way, fastest growing division of Tesla, I'm sure you know this, maybe all your viewers don't, it's the energy division. Over 14 billion of the 100 billion Tesla's likely to post this year will be in energy. But there's something else coming, and it's called a virtual power plant. What utilities are going to need to meet the power demands of the future is the ability to tap into aggregations of power walls, which we're already doing in California, and at some point in the very near future, aggregations of electric vehicles, people who are willing to let the utilities borrow power to support during times of peak demand.